everyone, it's Miss Samantha. Welcome back to Veggie Time at Home. This week we're going to be making some salad dressing. Today I'm going to be making a recipe for some honey Dijon vinaigrette. So the ingredients that we're going to need are as follows. We're going to need 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Dijon or brown mustard, a tablespoon of honey, and some salt and pepper to taste. So let's get our ingredients ready and let's get to it. I also forgot to mention we're going to need a whisk, and then we're also going to need a tablespoon measuring spoon, 1/3 of a cup measuring cup, and 1/2 cup measuring cup, and a bowl. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to measure out is our balsamic vinegar, and we're going to need 1/3 of a cup of it. So I've already poured it in to the cup, and then we're going to take it from the 1/3 of a cup into the bowl, like that. Then we're going to pour in 1/2 cup of olive oil. All right, so we've got our 1/2 cup measure, and we're going to pour in our olive oil. And then it also goes into the bowl. Then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Okay, so we've got our tablespoon, our mustard, so there's 1 tablespoon-ish. And then, I'm going to keep this knife around because I'll probably need it for the honey too. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of honey. Scrape off the rest of the honey and the mustard. So now we're going to add some